In the last part of this section, we're going to talk about square root inequalities. So again, it's just an inequality involving the square roots. So the way we graph is still the same. We just have to make sure that we're paying attention to whether we have a dotted or a solid line, and that we add shading to our graph. So we still want to start by identifying the vertex. So we're going to make our t-chart. So vertex is 4, -6. And then the way I would choose mine, so I'm going to add 1, so we're going to pick 5. And if we add 4, that will be 8. And then we're just substituting them in to find the y values. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And 1 minus 6 is -5. All right, so again, 8 minus 4 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 6 is -4. All right, so if we graph, so again, I would use graph paper if you have it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we connect our dots, it is going to be a dashed line. So we have 4, -6, 5, -5, and 8, -4. Oh, and then I forgot to make a dash. So I'm just going to draw an arrow here. So this should be a dashed line. And then we have a less than symbol. So when we do the shading, that means that we need to go below the line. So all my shading is going to be down here. But we do need to be careful that we don't go past our vertex. So really there's just kind of this invisible line here that our shading cannot go past. So this is the shading. So we're shading everything underneath the line. But we can't have any shading over here because this part is outside of our domain anyways, because we don't have any x values past that point. All right, let's try another one. So again, let's start by finding our vertex and making our t-chart. So -2, -4. So again, if we add 1, we're going to choose -1 for x. And then if we add 4, that will be 2 for the x value. Okay, so -1 plus 2 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. And then it becomes negative. So -1 minus 4 is -5. 2 plus 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Then it becomes a negative. -2 minus 4 is -6. Again, and then when we graph, we want to make sure that we do a dashed line. So I'll try to remember that this time. So -1, -2, 1, 2, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so so we're going left 2, down 4, left 1, down 5, and then 2, down 6. Dotted this time, nailed it. And then it's less than, so we still want to shade below the line. So again, we're pretending that there's kind of an imaginary vertical line right there that we can't shade past. So everything below our equation. And that's how we would graph the inequality of square roots. And that will also conclude section 3.